Today we'll show how to fix the proximity sensor and ambient light sensor problem, so let's get started. We'll remove the display connectors, we'll remove the 2 screws. To remove the sensor, I'll apply a little liquid, then use a hot gun to give it some heat. Next, I'll gently wiggle the sensor with an IC lifter to lift it off. After removing the old sensor, I'll take a new one out of the packet. I'll peel off the sticker. So I'll remove the old ambient light sensor and install it on this one. I'll place it on a stand and use a hot gun's hot air to remove it. Next, I'll open the new one the same way, place it on the stand and use the hot gun's hot air to lift it off. Now I'll apply a little paste and secure it using the hot gun. Now I'll power it on and check whether the sensor is working. Yes, the automatic brightness control is working perfectly. Finally, I'll reassemble everything carefully as it was before. Now I'll turn it on again and check to make sure everything is working correctly. Yes, everything is working perfectly now. Problem fixed. Thank you.